Alexa Benjamin, one of NDSU's student body president candidates, had just finished a long day of campaigning and decided to buy a sandwich from Jimmy John's, where she noticed one of her running competitors was taking a painstakingly long time to make her sandwich. After what seemed like an hour, Alexa finally received her sandwich. Upon taking her first bite, she noticed a bitter taste and pulled out a piece of what looked like some ground-up tree bark. Not wanting to run back to complain about her sandwich, Alexa finished and immediately felt ill. Alexa was experiencing a fever, nausea, muscle pain, dizziness, and a slowed heart rate. Passing off the symptoms as catching the flu, Alexa lied down on the couch and fell asleep. The next morning, her roommates found her unresponsive.
Bitter taste that Alexa noticed was a ground mixture of berries and bark from a yew tree. The yew tree contains a mixture of poisons called taxines. Upon ingestion of nearly any part of the tree, a specific compound found in taxine called Paclitaxel is absorbed into the bloodstream and sent throughout the body. Paclitaxel is a mitotic inhibitor. During typical cell division by mitosis, between the steps of metaphase and anaphase, microtubules attached to the chromatids and the centrosomes of the cell must be able to shorten and pull sister chromatids apart to have complete and exact copies of DNA for each daughter cell. Paclitaxel prevents microtubules from shortening and finishing the steps of mitosis. When this happens, the cell has receptors that allow it to sense it. The cell then receives a programmed death signal known as apoptosis. With the spread of this compound throughout the whole body, the cells of the vital organs receive the apoptosis signal and stop functioning. Tubulin, which are a series of globular proteins that make up microtubule fibers, are typically unstable proteins that can easily be depolymerized by cold and calcium in order for them to shorten and pull apart sister chromatids. Paclitaxel, which is shown as the green stick figure, irreversibly stabilizes the polymer by readily binding to a histidine and threonine, which are on the beta subunit of the tubulin. This irreversible stabilization of the polymer is what prevents the microtubules from shortening and separating, inducing the apoptosis signal.
Paclitaxel is a form of chemotherapy medication that is not supposed to be ingested, but injected by a medical professional, directly into a specific area where the cancerous cells or tumor are located.